COMISO waterproof Bluetooth speakers, outdoor wireless portable speaker with 20 hours playtime, superior sound for camping, beach, sports, pool party, shower, dark gray. High-quality crystal clear sound, distinct mids and highs from our two precision acoustic drivers, delivers excellent stereo sound and enhanced bass from our proprietary passive bass radiator design. Louder volume, more bass, distortion-free at maximum volume. Room-filling sound, perfect for home, dorm room, kitchen, bathroom, car, parties, streaming music or internet radio services such as Pandora and Spotify from your smartphone, iPhone, or audio device. True wireless stereo function. Thanks to TWS function, pair any two COMISO speakers, you can achieve true wireless Bluetooth playing for left and right channels separated of two Sbode Bluetooth speakers. Just control the TWS master device, then audio can be played in sync on both devices with double enhanced stereo sound. IPX5 rated waterproof Bluetooth speaker, splashproof, rainproof, dustproof.